Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing a purchase that I made from Goyard in Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive. It's a wallet. It's called the St. Marc. I actually purchased two wallets and I'm gonna make a review on one of them today and I will make the other one on Wednesday. So let's get started. So right off the bat, the wallet came in a carrying bag, receipt, and the actual wallet box. And if you look at the receipt, it looks like we spent $1,240 for both wallets. I'm going to show you one of the wallets today. I already opened it. I just kind of opened the box, which have the nice leather design on the cardboard box. This is the sky blue, of course. This is the actual wallet. Very bright electric blue color. As you can see, I already put money in it for good luck. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 slots and a part for your ID. You have the Goyard Paris made in France stamped on the leather. And I heard the way that you can figure out if this is actually authentic, if you look inside, it's yellow leather and not the fabric. As you can see, it is yellow leather. It's very small, yet fits the pocket perfectly, and it fits in my hand perfectly. Alright, I hope you guys like this wallet, and I hope you like the review, and stay tuned for the other color on Wednesday. Thank you.